Good day, everyone. Once again, welcome to my channel. For today's topic, we are going to discuss volume of solid figures. In this lesson, we will study and learn about the volume of solid figures and solve routine and non-routine problems involving volumes of solids. If you are ready, then let us now begin. Learning task 2. Answer the following problems. June wanted to know how much ice cream he got in one scoop. The radius of a scoop is 2 inches. Find the volume. Use 3.14 for p or pi. Question: what is asked in the problem? Well, it is the volume of ice cream in a scoop. What are the given facts? Radius of a scoop, which is 2 inches. What is the formula to be used? 1/2 of 4/3 pi r cubed. If you notice, children, we use 1/2 of 4/3 pi r cubed. Itong 4/3 pi r cubed ay volume of a sphere. As we know, kapag sinabing ice cream scoop, kalahati lang ito ng sphere. Diba? Pag nabili tayo ng ice cream sa maglalako, nakikita natin, kakalahati lang yung pang scoop. Kaya ito ay naging 1/2 times 4/3 pi r cubed. Number sentence and final answer. For the number sentence, okay, para sa number sentence natin, it could be what? The formula itself, 2/3 pi r cubed. Well, yung iba, ang ginagawa dito, nilalagyan pa nila ng equal to n para talagang number sentence. Okay? Pero depende kay teacher. Kung okay na sa kanya, itong formula itself, okay. If not, edi lagyan nyo ng equal to n pa rin. Okay? Now, final answer. What is the final answer? Well, at first, let us replace yung formula ng corresponding values niya. So, since we'll be using 2/3 pi r cubed, gumamit tayo dito ng 2/3. Ito yung 2, ito yung 3. Kaya yan yung 2/3. And then 3.14 here, ito yung pi. You notice. And then r cube, we have r, and then another r, and then another r. So yan yung 2/3 pi r cube. And then we get the product of 2 times 2 times 2, kaya nagkaroon dito ng 8. Okay? Then we multiplied 2 and 3.14, kaya nagkaroon ng 6.28, then copy 8. And the product of 6.28 and 8 is 50.24. Okay? So yung 3 sa ilalim, kinokopya lang. And then once na i-divide nyo yung 50.24 by 3, the answer is 16.746 bar. So meaning our volume, in this case, to the nearest hundredths, ay 16.75 cubic inches. Find the volume of milk chocolate in a glass with a radius of 5 centimeters and height of 10 centimeters. What is asked in the problem? Ang sagot, volume of milk chocolate in a glass. What are the given facts? Well, radius is 5 centimeters and height is 10 centimeters. What is the formula to be used? B equals pi r squared h. Bakit? Kasi yung glass looks like a cylinder. Kaya ito ang ginamit nating formula. Number sentence, yung formula itself, V equals pi r squared h. Pero sabi nga natin, kung gusto ni teacher na may equal to n pa, o di kaya gusto niya i-substitute or i-replace mismo yung corresponding values ng r and h, pwede naman. Now, for the solution, ay di copy yung V, and then instead of pi, palitan natin ng 3.14. So, kita natin ito yung pi. Okay? And then 5 times 5, ito yung r, and then another r. And then 10 here is your h. Now, 5 times 5 will give us what? 25. And then 78.5 here came from what? 3.14 times 25. Then copy 10. And 78.5 times 10 will give us 785 cubic centimeters. Ibig sabihin mga bata, ito ang sagot natin, 785 cubic centimeters. Problem number 3. Calculate the volume of the pyramid in the picture. What is the formula to be used? Well, it is 1/3 times the area of the base times height, or length times width times height all over 3. Kasi nga, ito ay pyramid. Number sentence, the formula itself. Okay? Now, if you notice, ang given length, width, and height ay pare-pareho. Kaya naman, kapag kinompute natin, it's 4 times 4 times 4. Then all over 3. So happen that 4 times 4 here is what? 16. Kaya nagkaroon dito ng 16. And then copy the last 4 times 4 all over 3. 64 because of 16 times 4, then over 3. At kapag i-divide yung 64 by 3, the answer is 21.3 bar. Ibig sabihin mga bata, ang sagot natin ay 21.3 bar cubic meters. Mike has a large plastic cup that he is going to fill with water. The plastic cup is in the shape of a cone with a height of 7 inches and a radius of 3 inches as shown. Find the volume of the water in the plastic cone cup. What is the formula to be used? Since this is a cone, it's 1/3 pi r squared h. Tama? And for the number sentence, yung ating formula mismo. Okay? For a computation or solution, ito siya. So, 1/3 ay di all over 3 tayo. And then pi, ano ang ginamit natin sa pi? Ito yung ating pi, 3.14. And then r squared, since the given radius is 3, so ito yung r, and then another r. And then h, ito 7. So, ito na yung ating representation. Okay? Not representation. Ito yung nag-replace na tayo ng corresponding values for R and H. Now, let us continue. Get the product of 3 and 3. Kaya nagkaroon ng 9. And then copy 3.14 and 7. Bakit merong extra 3 dito? If you look at your equation, we can cancel 9 and 3 by 3. So 9 divided by 3 is 3, kaya nagkaroon ng 3 dito na kulay blue. So na-cancel ito, na-cancel yung 9. Okay? And the product of 3.14 and 3 is 9.42, then times 7. So wala na tayong divided by 3 kasi nga na-cancel na natin. And the product of these two, 9.42 and 7, is 65.94. Since ang unit ay inches, nagkaroon tayo ng cubic inches. Therefore, ano ang sagot natin sa problem number 4? 65.94 cubic inches.